My name is Cole, and I collect rocks and seashells and things that you find at the beach. I got started when I found my first piece of sea glass. And my favorite thing in my collection is probably this really clear Cape May diamond.
My name is Gavin, and I collect baseball cards. And I started when my grandma gave me some baseball cards, and my favorite card is this one.
I'm Owen, and this is my fishing collection. I started collecting fishing rods when I was 3 when I caught my first fish. My favorite one is my slow rod. It's because I caught a 2.5-foot striper on it, and it was 8.5 pounds. And this is my crab line, my hand line, and my favorite rod holder on my sensor.
I like hats. I have about 30 of them, but I only bought 12 of them. I have an Alaska hat. I have a Kennedy Space Center. I like my Alaska Kennedy Space Center and Canada hat. This one I actually lost in the ocean, but I found it. Actually, it fell into the ocean. And this one I actually went to here, but this hat, my grandparents got me. They go travel the world and get hats. So this is my Harry Potter products collection. This is my Harry Potter illuminating tip wand that I got for my 6th birthday, I think. This is the other wand, the most powerful wand in the Harry Potter universe. This is the wand I got at Universal Orlando Resort from Ollivander's Wand Shop. And this is a wand that was handmade and I bought. And it's probably my favorite. I think this is my favorite wand. I'm not sure, it's either this one or this one.
These are my stuffed animals, and this is the first one I ever got. And it's the oldest. And I got this one from, I was really good at throwing tarts at balloons, and I won this one. My name is Matt, and these are my marbles. I got into collecting marbles because we were at slide painting with my dad once, and I asked if we could take two, like mix the ladder ones down, so we cut them open, and there's a marble inside. My favorite one is this one, because I really like the rest.
Hello, my name's Nick. These are my rocks. The first time we started was when my sister loved rocks. So she got this rock box, and I think I got this rock from a dig site, and I found this rock, I think from the Actually, I don't know where I found this rock. This rock, I'm pretty sure I found it like at my cousin's house and had it. This is I think it's cool because this one I think is coolest because look, it can stack up very well even though it doesn't have great shape. It's all very can stack up.